Nau mai, kia ora. Hi, my name is Vanessa.
And what today went to school? Maddie, welcome to the NAWS News for Monday the 16th of October.
It's Friday, it's windy, and it's touch after school.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is horoi,
which is te reo for wash, as in me horoi koe e hura. You should wash, mate.
Yeah, the bath's broken, and I don't think I smell that bad. Oh, you're right.
Cooey. Alright, it's great seeing so many students with their high-vis vests on. Keep up the good work.
And a reminder this term to always wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
Anyone not seen wearing their hat will stay in the shade in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
Now if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or you can read all the notices you know where.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Help me!
You're so heavy!
There's a mouse down there.
We're going to clean that up after the video.
Yeah. Touch news. Check the notice board for when and where you are playing. Some teams have a double game.
Okay, slopers are on sale today by the barbecue. $1 each. Wrappers in the bin, thanks.
Yeah, really important with all your wrappers today. It's windy and we want everything in the bins.
School council news. You are on at 1 p.m. in the group room. Kia ora.
Look, book club news. This is the last book club for the year. There's a bunch of Christmas stuff in there.
All orders must be into the office by next Friday. Every order helps out the library.
All orders must... No. And speaking of, the library's open today for returns, browsing and issues.
Okay, birthday news. None today at Winton School.
But celebrating his 10th birthday on Sunday is McKinnon Todd.
Happy birthday, Kenny Poo! Have a great day and enjoy your birthday.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite te wiki.
Go Richie! And hi, Darwin.